kid.
You got the information?
Of course I do. I want to go to the past, right?
Yeah. I hate everybody here. I just want to be...
Alone?
Shut up! Listen, I am the great Gershbrain, and you have trespassed on my dominion. You will pay! See you, Woken. Come! Go. Who are you?
I'm from the future.
Why did you come here?
I wanted to be...
Alone?
Yes. I came here to 1776 to get away from everyone, especially my smoking hot girlfriend.
Ex-girlfriend?
Kind of. But wait, who are you?
Well, they used to call me the Gershman.
Who's they?
The people that I had destroyed, so that I could be alone.
Geez, thanks a lot, guys. Who are you?
We are the life fighters.
What do you mean, freedom fighters?
No. Fuck freedom. We just want to fight for our lives.
What do you mean?
Well,
I thought this was 1776. Where are the people?
it is 1776. We are the last remaining remnants of those who survived.
Dead.
Gershmain's wrath.
Gershmain's wrath? What did he do?
He destroyed everybody.
Destruction.
You're telling me he came back to the past, from the future, destroyed everything, know that it wouldn't upset a thing?
Yes.
Yes.
That's some fucked up shit. Telling me the whole chaos theory is backwards. How do we defeat him?
I don't know.
There's nothing.
No, there's gotta be something.
No.
He was so upset back there.
Oh, I don't know. We've always noticed he gets very disturbed when we say our names.
Disturbed.
Names.
I need to talk to you.
There. Go take a shit.
Rawr!
Jody! Baby! Damn it! God damn it!
You don't have to get all upset!
What the fuck are you doing? Oh my...
I've been trying to tell you. I'm a time traveler too.
You came back to look up a draft, didn't you?
No.
Look behind you, Jody.
I'm not dead. I'm just blind.
Man.
Don't walk away from this!
You will die first!
She's using him as a human shield. She was true to me all along.
Now I will extract your soul! A giraffe will be a beautiful addition to my collection!
What happened?
He attracted the crystallized soul of the giraffe.
I thought you were a retarded bear.
Charge! You incapacitated! You freeze! I unname you, retarded bear, and take your name and your soul away! Excellent! I love to fornicate with ducks! Your name and soul are mine!
Coogan! Get out of the thing with the like...
The penis structures?
What did you call it?
I called it the penis structures, old man.
No!
Penis!
No, don't name it! No, my arm is
Phallic interpretation of penis!
Oh, my other arm!
And you! You're duck and you're a bear!
Oh no, my leg fell off! I have one leg left!
And I'm gonna jump up and save it.
It won't work unless you